LG Wing's smartphone with swiveling display to go on sale October 5th. LG's upcoming dual-screen smartphone will reportedly go on sale early next month following an unexplained postponement in its launch date. That's according to latest reports coming out of South Korea, which claims that the LG Wing will go on sale October 5th instead of September 25th. Do note that the device will still be unveiled on September 14th as per LG's earlier announcement, although we'll have to wait until next month for it to be available for purchase. Meanwhile, the report also claims that LG plans to test the phone for up to 4 weeks with select users, but it's not immediately clear as to what that would entail. Either way, there's no more new information about the device right now, but let's hope that we start getting some leaks as we get closer to the launch date. Wing will be the first phone to launch as part of LG's Explorer project that the company says will offer distinctive and yet unexplored usability experiences that tackles uncharted territory in the industry. LG only confirmed the name of the device earlier this week, but the company had earlier revealed that it will be a dual-screen handset with a swiveling display. As for the rest of the tech specs, the LG Wing will reportedly offer 5G connectivity, ship with a Snapdragon 700 series processor, possibly the Snapdragon 765G, and have a price tag in excess of $1,000. It will also apparently sport at least 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. The rest of the key tech specs and features remain under wraps for now, but we hope to get more details soon.